being able to automatically gather guest folio transactions from other systems is a great time-saving proposition. We've developed what we call a service that sits on your server and looks for other systems, such as the point of sale, such as the telephone call accounting system, such as the in-room movie system. And this service just continuously sits there and waits for a transaction from another system. So there's a plumbing step to kind of set this thing up. For example, if we want to set up the H&L point of sale interface, we can call it the Sea View Lounge. The revenue is going to go to the bar. But in actual fact, the revenue is going to be captured on a configuration screen in quite a different way. So in here, we're able to specify what each of the registers is going to be called, where the tips are going to go in the GL, and where in the GL each of the different flavors of things from the POS will go. There might be liquor, there might be soft goods, there might be food, and so on, and it could each have its own GL account. So very, very flexible in terms of how it gets set up. So this is where you tell the system what that other system is going to be. The other system then talks to us, and they do the handshake back and forth. So in the point of sale system, the point of sale says who's staying in room 101. Our system says Malcolm and Mary Amici are staying in room 101. The point of sale clerk then says, are you Malcolm, are you Mary? Select the guest and passes the transaction back to our system. All done fully automatic. So there's no rekeying, there's no export-import. The transactions seamlessly flow from one system to the other, which is the way you want them to do. So there's no rekeying, no messy imports and exports or anything like that. And of course there's a full audit as well for these transactions, so we can see what was sent from the point of sale system to charge to room, what was received from the point of sale system that was charged to room. And because they're separate pieces of software, you get two separate reports and audit those two reports to make sure that nothing fell between the cracks. And further than that, we have a little display light that shows us the status of the external system. So if this light starts to blink red, it means there's a problem with the external interface and it needs some attention. It shows here and it shows in the control screen, so it's visually you can see what's going on with these external interfaces. So seamless connection to those other systems that are generating transactions to the guest folio.